So one thing plugs into the other. Then we're gonna have to wrap this slut around. Plugged it in there. They're gonna plug into them's, and then EJ's gonna say,
"Go on the fuck home."
Amazon. I straight up just typed in fucking car clips and that's what fucking came up.
I need that.
It's fucking nice. It's really nice.
Hey, yo, I need that. I don't know which one you want.
Which one's nice and easy?
It's a Lexus.
Boogie, Yogi, Yogi. You got an acorn there.
Yeah, please don't yank it. Not coming out?
Nope.
Dude, there's nowhere to grab on this fucking thing.
That didn't do anything. It's just the wiring harness right
Good thing I cleaned it. Shit. I think I'm gonna start driving it without the bumper now.
Oh, it looks fucking mint.
Fucking mint. It looks fucking totaled. It fucking looks totaled. I gotta call Progressive. Oh, she's looking fucking clean. What the fuck happened? Damn. It almost looks like an Evo. It looks weird. What are they, just Phillips heads?
flips and it's like got this whole bracket attached to it.
Plug and play.
I mean, it might just plug in.
Plug and play.
Now that it's completely disconnected, we can just steal the bumper.
What did we fucking steal?
Steal the bumper.
Why are you stealing the bumper?
Because fuck you.
God, look how handsome. Yeah, but look how handsome we are.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm still stealing your bumper and taking it.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Ooh. You gave me a kiss downstairs. We out here fucking shit up. This was a nice Lexus. We out here fucking shit up.
Banging dudes.
Banging dudes. Oh shit,
Oh my
beach.
God. Oh shit.
Proceeds to fuck it. What is it, Bob? It's a Lexus.
Boogie, Boogie.
Boogie, boogie. Yo, the frosted look fucking looks cool. No emblem, gang?
Here's the other thing.
We're trying to wrap the emblem. like a fucking turtle right now. Look at him. He's turtled up. Alright, so what are we doing each? We doing things? We fucking dudes. Church over there fucking sleeping.
Can you show where he mounted this?
What's the matter? I don't know. Did we figure it out? Acorn?
What the fuck?
Acorn?
Fucking squirrels.
Fucking squirrels.
Fucking dudes.
Fucking dudes. Look at this dude.
Bro.
Like so, and pry it up, and then you're gonna pull the clip out. If you're familiar with these types of clips, then this should be pretty simple. I'm starting with this one.
This is a good sight when you're working on a car. Church, drink responsibly. Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's fucking insane, dude. All right.
PJ, you're beautiful. That's my message to the world.
That I'm beautiful?
No,
Probably double
beautiful.
zip tie that.
Double zip tie.
You wanna give me one more?
What is this, a drift car?
Yeah, dude.
That was Phil. I'm gonna die.
Oh, shit. Oh, wow. I know.
Another what?
Zip tie?
Zip tie! Get you with a zip tie. Zip tie, as requested. Zip tie, as requested. Church.
Wait. Put it like right up against it.
In your rear.
Plug that bitch in, daddy.
And in your rear.
Don't record that.
Oh, it's recorded. Why is putting the bumper back on such a fucking bitch? Dad, I can see up your nose. Yeah, it's a little bit of a pain in the ass. It's never easy. Starting to look like my car again. Kinda. I'm gonna be real honest. I kinda don't like it.
This is the clip for his coil.
Say what now? What do you mean you don't like it? What do you fucking mean?
It's frosted.
Yeah, shut up.
I'll suck your dick.
So violent.
What did he say? Alright. It was a bitch to put the bumper back on.
They caught him a felony.
Nice. Putting the bumper back on was probably the hardest part. Putting the bumper back on. That's an ass. Oi! Alright guys, I've been working hard all day on this. The Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. NightMomMedia, say hi, hello, hi.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're cool. I love them. All right.
Dash. Elevation only. They can't hold us down. Yeah, I've been leveling, never settling. Keep my boots to the ground. Forget the questioning, I'm a testament, so I wear my crown. They tried to sleep on me, had to keep it G, yeah, I held it down. Make sure my people eat, I got peeps to feed, so I'm getting it now. Go chaser, hard times, but the grind couldn't break us. So I shine every time that I wake up. No kitchen, but I still get a cake up. Living to my people, my heart I've been given. No, I ain't been broke in a minute. If it's me versus me, then I'm always winning. Facts. Heart on my sleeve with the words I'm painting. That's word to the money.
This shit ain't done yet. All right.